Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my Brembos are getting baked, at least one part of them. The second part is right there. So these the other ones are getting stripped, as you can see. How did I do it? I did it with Harbor Freight powder coating machine. I went and I bought the red from the internet. I had it right here on this stand. I sprayed it, and right now it's getting baked. That's the color it's gonna be. I think a little bit brighter red. So yeah, so far so good. Other than that, let me finish this one baking, and then I'll show you how to spray the other one, how I did it. Just a real quick, just so you guys can check it out. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. Do it with Harbor Freight. It works fine. I did a couple of more things, and yeah, I'm really happy with the result. One of the things are right here for the that's even a black color from the Harbor Freight as well. So as you can see, it did a really good job, and yeah, I'm really happy with the result. So yeah, right now I'm waiting for this, and yeah, I'll show you guys in a minute how to do it, and of course the end result. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here it is, a final product of a powder coated caliper, Brembo caliper, with a Harbor Freight powder coating machine. As you can see, it looks beautiful, but that's not a final product though. I still have to do a sticker on top of it, and then I'm gonna clear it with the high temperature clear. So right now I'm preheating the other piece of caliper. I wanted it to be 200 Fahrenheit to get to that temperature. So it's been a while, so I'm gonna take it out, put it on the stand right here. Alrighty. Okay. I'm gonna start the machine right there. Here's my gun, and we're gonna start spraying. Actually, let me put the clip on. I forgot that. Is it on? It is now. Alright, let's go from the other side. Alrighty. You can turn it a little bit. Let's see if it's gonna be good. Alright, now take the clip off and then take this off. You can see it looks good. Now we're gonna hang it. Be careful. All right, let's see if we can close it. And that's gonna be temperature 175, timer 1. It's gonna be 35 minutes. There it is. So yeah, guys, after that I will take it out and I'll show you guys the end result. Alright guys, here it is. It's been baking for about 35 minutes, almost 40. And it's time to check it out. Here it is. It looks really good, I gotta say. Alrighty, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. A final product. Not exactly final, but final baking wise. That's the other piece. These are still being stripped, so those are next. So yeah, like I said, the Harbor Freight did an amazing job. Harbor Freight powder coat machine did an amazing job. I still have to do 2 of these, and yeah. Also this this Dynaglow smoker works perfect as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you that. An update will be probably soon, because I'll still have to get us stickers as well as the high temperature clear coat. So I'll be doing that as well. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.